Hello children. In this video you will be learning Maths next chapter, Fun with Give and Take. Let us solve the given following. So first let us read the question. Prerna has read 95 pages of a story book and Gauri has read 120 pages of that story book. Who has read more pages and how many more pages? So here in this question, two girls have read a story book and in that Prerna has read 95 pages and Gauri has read 120 pages. So what is the question here? Who has read more pages? So by seeing the number itself, we can say that Gauri has read 120 pages. 120 is more than 95. So Gauri has read more pages than Prerna. And one more question is asked, how many more pages? That we don't know. Is it 120 and 95? Gauri has read 120 pages and Prerna 95. But what is the difference? We don't know. And Gauri has read how many more pages? That we have to find out now. So here you can write the answer as Gauri read pages is equal to 120 and Prerna has read how many pages? As 95. Then the difference. So now one thing you should keep in mind that always you have to write the numbers one below the other. So 120, 0 is in units place, 2 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. And here 95, 5 is in units place. You have to write below 0 only. 5 you have to write below 0 only because it is in units place. And 9 you have to write below 2, that is in the tens place only. You cannot write 120 or like this 95. Okay, so this is wrong. So you have to write here like this. So now you have to find the difference. To find the difference means here to subtract. Okay, difference means subtracting. To find out how many more pages Gauri has read. So what we need to do? We need to subtract to find out how many pages more she has read. So now we have to subtract 0 minus 5. But we cannot subtract 5 from 0. So what we need to do? Yes, we need to borrow. From where? From tens place. That is from 2. We need to borrow from 2. So here 2 becomes 1 and this 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. Then here it is 1 and 9. 1 minus 9. Again we cannot subtract 1 minus 9 because 1 is smaller than 9. So we cannot subtract. So just again borrow from hundreds place. So here this becomes 0 and this 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 9 you have to subtract. So you cannot open 11 fingers on your hand. So just count from here 9 to 11. Go from 9 to 11. 9 afterwards 10, 11. So how many fingers you have counted? 2 fingers. So 2 is the answer. So what is the difference here? 25. It means Gauri has read 25 pages more than Prerna. So therefore we can write the final answer here. Gauri read more pages. Okay, that is the first answer. Who read more pages? Gauri read more pages. And how many more pages? Gauri read 25 pages more. Okay, so there is another problem. A farmer packed 650 oranges Out of this, 85 oranges got spoiled and had to be thrown away. How many oranges were left with the farmer? So, what a farmer did? He packed 650 oranges. But out of that 650 oranges, 850 oranges got spoiled. And he had to throw it away. So, they were of no use, no? Because they got spoiled. So, he had to throw it away. So, now, what we have to do? We have to find out how many oranges were left with the farmer. After throwing 85 oranges in 650, now how many oranges were left out? That we have to find out. So, we need to write here, a farmer packed oranges. Yes, how many oranges he packed? 650. And out of 650, how many oranges did he throw? 85. Oranges got spoiled is equal to 85. Okay. So, how many oranges are left out now? That we have to find out. How many oranges were left with the farmer? So, oranges left. With farmer. So, to find out how many oranges are left, what we need to do? Add or subtract? Yes, we need to subtract here because the oranges are thrown away. Is it? Removed, taken away. So, we need to subtract. So, again here, this is unit, tens and hundreds place. So, again we cannot subtract 5 from 0. What we need to do? Again borrow here. Borrow from 5. So, 5 becomes 4 and this 0 becomes 10. So, 10 minus 5 is 5. So, 4 minus 8. Can we subtract 4 minus 8? No, because 8 is greater than 4. Again, we need to borrow. So, borrow from 6. 6 becomes 5. This 4 becomes 18. Now, you cannot open 14 fingers on your hand. So, what you need to do? So, start from 8 and count up to 14. So, after 8 afterwards, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. That is 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, 6 fingers we have counted. Then here 5 minus, here nothing, it means it is 0 there. 5 minus 0 is 0. So, how many oranges were left with the farmer now? 565. Now, next coming to the topic mental maths. So, here circles are given and in that there are numbers. 80 minus 35 is equal to dash. 45 plus 35 is equal to dash. So, we have to find out these missing numbers. So, here it is addition. 45 plus 35. You have to add and find out. And here 80 minus 35. You have to subtract and find out the answer. So, 45 plus 35 is 55, 65, 75. So, one finger is equal to 1/10. Okay, I am calculating as one finger as 1/10. So, here 45 to 45 afterwards, 55, 65, 75 and plus this 5. 75 plus 5 is 80. Then 80 minus 35. 80 minus 35. So 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. Okay, 75 again this 5. 75 plus this 5. It is 80. So how many fingers we have counted? 4 fingers plus this 5. That will be is equal to 4 fingers means 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. 40 plus this 5. That is 45. And you can observe a similarity here. In both these circles, we got 45. And here in both the circles, you got 80. So in the same way, I'll give some more problems. You have to find out it. Okay. Thank you.